PhotoShelter Honest Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're a professional photographer looking to showcase and sell your work, PhotoShelter promises an all-in-one platform, but is it worth your time? One of the biggest pros is its portfolio management. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's just another gallery app. PhotoShelter lets photographers create customizable, professional websites with integrated client-proofing, e-commerce, and licensing options. This means you can display your work and sell prints or digital licenses without juggling multiple platforms. Another advantage is workflow efficiency. You can organize images categorized by client or project, and even manage downloads or saves directly from the app. It also integrates with Adobe Lightroom, making your editing and publishing process seamless. PhotoShelter also emphasizes marketing. Built-in SEO tools, email marketing features, and analytics help photographers reach audiences and track engagement, giving insights that many standalone galleries don't provide. However, there are cons. Some users find the subscription pricing steep for beginners. The app's learning curve can be challenging, especially for those unfamiliar with web design or e-commerce. Limited templates and occasional performance issues on mobile can also be frustrating. In conclusion, PhotoShelter is a professional-grade tool for photographers who want to showcase, manage, and sell their work in one place. The surprising truth is that while it's powerful, it's most beneficial for serious photographers or small businesses, not casual hobbyists. For photographers seeking a streamlined, professional solution to manage portfolios, sales, and marketing, PhotoShelter delivers impressive tools, but expect a learning curve and ongoing costs.